Yeah. They are so dirty. We need to bathe them.
Hot water, cold water.
Yeah. Stop. That's gonna freeze him. Wow.
Let me help wash your costume.
Yeah. Oh no! So, what are you going to do? I will bath them with hot water. Are you sure?
You guys look so dirty. Wanna clean up?
Yeah. Yes, help us.
Oh.
Cold. No, hot.
Let me help you. I think they will like warm water.
Wow. Yeah. Awesome.
The broken air conditioner. Hey, kids! Look what I got! I got an air conditioner for you too! This burden is for cool mode, and this burden is for heat mode. Don't get them wrong, okay?
Wolfoo is screening the temperatures. No, the temperature is perfectly fine. No! No! It's your fault. Why is it so hot? Yeah.
What's wrong?
I told you not to mess with the controller. You will get sick if you get the temperature too low.
I'm sorry.
Take it as a lesson. Now go back to sleep, okay?
Yes!
Animal car. Stop, stop.
Yeah, come on!
Stop.
Yes,
All right.
Yes! Ding dong, ding dong. No!
Let's race.
Yes!
Rabbits are always faster than turtles.
3, 2, 1, start! Yes! Oh no! Power up! Power up!
Only walk on the water.
Oh! Yes! Oh, yeah! Wow! Yes! Yeah! Oh no! Aha! Yeah! Wow!
Let's play.
Yeah! Yes! Yay! Come on, come on! Wow!
Lucy. Huh? Lou.
Come on, come on! Hooray! Yeah!
It's just a game. But remember, don't look down on others.
Yes!
Hot food versus cold food.
Hot food is more delicious.
No! Cold food is better.
No, hot food.
Cold food.
All right, I have an idea. From now on, you will only eat cold food, and I will only eat hot food.
Let's do it.
Hey! Hurrah! Oh no.
My stomach hurts.
Me too. I'm so cold. I'm so hot.
Follow me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh no.
Oh dear. Huh? Oh. What happened? How do you guys feel now? Will you do it again? It's not good to keep eating only one kind of food. You need to eat properly for your stomach to be healthy.